What does after sales look like? When we're with you every step of the way. It's having compliance and safety covered with inspections. It's making sure all your correct paperwork is in place for your equipment, ensuring your site is safe and functional. And for repairs and refurbishments, it's having an expert team who know your equipment inside out, who can keep it newer for longer using state-of-the-art workmanship. It's making sure you're getting the most out of your equipment with plenty of materials and on-site training carried out by experienced engineers so your team can use your equipment with safety and confidence. It's having spare parts that go the distance without travelling the distance, all dispatched direct from the manufacturer. It's receiving easy-to-use documentation with every inspection, service and training need in a concise, itemised and digestible format, giving you full transparency over your equipment. It's having 20 years of industry experience at your fingertips, there for when you need it most, helping to optimise your equipment performance and saving you time and money. What's the evolution of after sales? It's a team who can do it all. Conquip Covered. We manufacture, you use, we service. We're with you for every after-sales need.